Take a ride in the 2017 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning, compass, Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.